In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change refresh rate on iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the refresh rate on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. You will either be able to lower it to the default, which is 60 Hz, or have upwards of 120 if you prefer a higher refresh rate experience. And you will be able to change this by enabling or disabling one specific setting. So all that you have to do is go over to the settings on any iPhone model and then access the accessibility category. So go into accessibility on the settings. Inside of accessibility, you will have plenty of categories again, and the one that you are looking for is going to be motion. So go into motion, and inside of this category, you will be able to find the only option related to refresh rate. So to keep it simple, the option is going to be limit frame rate. As the name suggests, this will lock your frame rate to a lower value. They call it frame rate, but essentially it is the same thing as refresh rate. So, like I mentioned, if you enable this option, you are going to lock your device to 60 Hz. By default, it is going to be off. So if you have never changed this and you want to have lower refresh rates, then you should enable this. By enabling it, you will be locked to 60 Hz, which for some people is more comfortable on the eyes. If this option is off, which like I mentioned is going to be the default, then you will have upwards of 120 Hz. So the display is going to automatically adjust the refresh rate for you. So as long as this is off, you will be able to achieve those higher refresh rates. Now, something that a lot of people are curious is if you are able to set it to a fixed 120 Hz. This is impossible, so keep that in mind. You will not be able to have your device use 120 Hz at all times. You have to set this option off, and the display will automatically adjust. This is done in order to save battery, so whenever the device notices that you don't need the highest refresh rate possible, it will lower it accordingly, allowing you to save battery. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.